I have a right to feed my family.
Okay.
What you're about to see begins as a completely ordinary traffic stop. Police run a routine license plate check, something they do very often, but within moments, they discover something unexpected.
Pulled over.
Hey man, how you doing today?
I'm alright.
Do me a favor, man. Can you step out of the vehicle?
Can I ask you why I get pulled over?
Because you're revoked, man. Come on. Step out of the vehicle,
I
man.
didn't have a reason.
Step out of the vehicle, man.
Stop.
Step
You
out
did
of the
not
vehicle.
have a right.
You got a suspended license.
Stop.
Bro, you're getting fucking tased.
No.
You're getting fucking tased.
I have the right
Step
to
out of the
drive.
car. Take
I have
your
the right
seatbelt
to drive.
off. Take your seatbelt off. I'm gonna light you up. Take your fucking seatbelt off, bro. Last chance. Take your seatbelt off.
This is really,
Get it off. Get
you
seatbelt
don't
off.
have a right
Get
to
seatbelt
pull me
off.
over. Stop.
Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up.
You can't.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the
I
car.
need somebody here.
Step out of the
I
car.
need somebody here.
Step out of the car.
I need somebody here.
We need additional. He's fighting with us.
Step
Step out of the car.
Ow! Ow!
Taser deployed. Step out of the vehicle.
Stop!
Step out of the vehicle.
I didn't do anything.
Step out of the fucking
I
vehicle.
didn't do anything. I want your body cams. I want you.
Step out of the vehicle.
I want an EMT. I
can't
want an
get to
EMT.
it.
You're getting another ride.
I can't get it.
EMT.
Step out of the vehicle.
I want an EMT. Please.
You're under arrest.
Please don't.
Step out of the vehicle.
I was.
Can you get to a seatbelt?
I can't.
No, I want to talk.
I'm gonna hit you again, bro. Step out of the fucking car.
I need. This is no. Nana, can I get your names?
Out of the fucking
Step
car,
out of the fucking car,
Get out
dude.
of the car.
Ah!
Step out of the car, bro.
Lean forward. So
Step out of the car.
I want
Can you get a
somebody
seatbelt
here.
on?
I want your supervisor.
I am the
I
supervisor.
am not calling.
I am the supervisor.
I'm charging.
Get out of the fucking
Get out of the car, dude.
Step out of the car. You get tased again, bro. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Get on the fucking ground. Do it now.
I want your body cams like a motherfucker.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Stop
Hey,
your
see your other hand.
Record
Hey,
this.
your other hand.
Record this.
Got that hand? Okay, I got it.
I got your hand. Sorry. Now he's caught some additional fucking charges, dickhead.
I didn't do anything.
Hey, fucking
Why'd you
resisting
even pull
arrest.
me over?
You got a suspended license.
You don't even know me.
We do. We have somebody watching you.
Oh shit.
Doesn't have to be that hard, man.
Just keep him right here. Let me double lock him. Fucking taser probes weren't fucking working. All right, let's give him a pat down here. Pat him, pat his back down when you can.
I just said to those search their teachers. Why are you? I don't even know. Why? This is happening.
You know why it's happening? You got suspended license. You didn't listen. We told you to get the fuck out of the car. That's what's happening.
You don't understand.
I do understand.
No, you really don't. You really don't understand.
That side's good. Throw him on the side. Josh, you got, okay, you got gloves on. Can you get these probes out for me? Fucking cords all over. This taser sucks.
Aren't EMTs supposed to do that?
Nope.
I'll check into that.
Please do.
What part of any of this is legal and lawful?
You're driving suspended, dude.
All right, we got all the probes out. Well, there's one more right here. Let me get it. That was just caught in his shirt.
This is all because I'm fighting my own case in town?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you do.
You're suspended,
You all
bro.
do.
I know.
Bring your knees to you.
Is there another?
Let's get you up.
I can't. Something's wrong with my ribs, man. I can't. Something's wrong with my ribs.
Josh, bring me your glove.
Let's get you up, man. Yep.
Are your cams on?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
alright.
we're always on.
No, there's yeah, that was stiff.
My rib, dude. I'm serious.
Okay. Jim, come on.
All right, up to your feet. All right, are you good or you need an ambulance?
Okay, let me get you one.
Back on point, man.
See if we just got you.
You start rescue to our location. One adult male, conscious breathing, complaining of his ribs hurting.
I think that's all the probes.
So there's one of those little things flying around from little papers or whatever. I'm not familiar with that. There's one of those old papers that we got to pick up, right?
No, there's no
Okay.
records.
I'm not familiar with the new ones.
I got legal paperwork and shit like that in my vehicle.
Okay.
Get a picture, get a photo of the probe impacts. Well, we'll wait till EMT. We'll wait till rescue gets here.
Okay.
I'll just have him kind of see the back of your car so not looking over.
Put your leg in there, man.
Please keep seeing weird.
Okay.
But this is where the story becomes more interesting, because this driver already had an open case against him even before this traffic stop happened.
You guys targeted me.
No, we saw you get in your car and you're suspended.
You're getting targeted. I'm getting targeted because I'm fighting my case.
Okay. Whatever you think, man.
I have the right to drive. I've been trying to work on all this shit. I can't keep getting. I keep going through this, and I can't get anywhere with anything.
Well, fighting with us ain't gonna get you anywhere, though.
But I got things to do. I don't have time for this. I have to go to work, man.
Yeah,
I'm
you
on my
can't-
way to a job site.
You can't drive.
I have a right to feed my family,
Okay.
and I don't have the time to do all this stuff when I have to work and pay bills. You don't get it.
Okay. Kick your leg up in there for me. Kick your leg up in there. There you go. I'm done talking. That's why you don't want to go.
It's double plated on the back. The back one's.
Center console. I got some pills too. Here's a scale. It's a dime bag.
One bag, some pills, and a scale.
And a crack pipe. Where's this phone at?
Oh, yeah. I think it sucks if you don't have it. So I hit it a couple times. And you can't drive it. There's no driving. You've got to hit him with the little probe. So I hit it 500 probes. And it still didn't. That wasn't
Not a good spread or what?
No, they were all boom, boom, boom right here. I don't know what they're doing. I'm curious to see if we can hook it up. All right, here's rescue like you asked. Check you out.
I think I got a cracked rib.
Okay, which side?
That side.
Your left side?
Yes.
Can I lift up your shirt?
Yeah.
Where'd they get them?
Right here, just right in there. A couple of them didn't stick, so I hit them a few times.
Where at specifically? Down here?
To your right.
Right in here?
Right. Yeah. Right there.
That's where the probe hit.
Oh yeah, right here's where the probe hit.
Up,
That's not
up. Down a little bit. Right in there.
Right in here?
Yeah.
Well, it's still right about where the probe hit. It hit just underneath
Okay.
there.
I understand, but there's
I got
something
you.
don't feel right
Okay.
there.
Well, I'm pushing in and I'm not feeling anything move.
I can't.
Then again, I don't
I have pressure. If I try to go down this way, something's putting pressure.
Well, the only thing that we can do is get you to the hospital. They can take imaging, but other than that, I can't do anything else.
Well, then we're going to the hospital.
What's that?
Then we got to go to the hospital.
That's up to you.
Okay, well, let's go.
Okay, well.
All right. Hang tight. Have a seat. We're gonna. Let me arrange something first.
I got a cracked fucking rib, and you're going to sit here and fucking arrange something.
You don't have a cracked rib, bud.
Whatever.
Who wants to ride with him?
Right behind.
What's that?
Or right behind.
Yeah, he's just fighting with us. Is why I don't.
I'm not even fighting.
What's your first name?
It's all,
Are you gonna?
it's
Hey,
all
listen.
unlawful. It's illegal as fuck, and you know it.
What's your first name?
Johnny.
Johnny? Is it Jonathan?
Oh. Go ahead.
Is it Jonathan legally?
No, Johnny.
Okay.
If you guys can strap into the gurney, I guess we can have Clark follow you.
Jonny?
Johnny. Clesso, and he has my wallet. Oh.
Which one got the cat?
You guys might as well be a fucking gang.
Yeah. I already got it. I just have court at fucking 1:15, so it is what it is. It's not a big deal. It ain't no thing. Well, yeah, he's going to the hospital. He's complaining of his ribs hurting or something, so he wants to go to the hospital. So, Rusty's gonna take him. Clark's gonna follow him. Hey, Hour, I'm gonna have you go with Clark to the hospital until just to get him inside, you know. So, but yep. So I should have known, dude, when you asked for anything.
Yeah, someone asked you to do this.
It's a detective that saw you walking, get into your car, there, bud.
Someone asked you to watch me.
Okay. So, yep. But all right, yep. Bye.
I want everybody's names and badge numbers.
Yeah, you'll get it in the report. The courthouse that you drove to, turns out there's a lot of cops there. They saw you get in your car.
No,
A detective
unless
did, and he
somebody
called and said,
walked-
hey, this guy's driving, he got a suspended license.
I doubt it.
Okay, you can doubt whatever you want, I don't care.
You can't pull somebody over that people just calling and saying something to you.
Well, we verified your license is suspended, so yeah, we can.
How?
It's called dispatch.
By pulling me over?
No. We can run you through leads.
You can't. What leads? That thing haven't even got a chance to put different plates on it yet.
Well, you got two different plates on it, bud.
No, I don't.
Yeah, there's one different on
No,
the
it's not.
Have a seat back. There you go.
Oh, yeah. Can I get these off, please?
No, you're not getting the cuffs off, dude.
This for driving on the road. You're fucking pathetic, dude.
And resisting.
I was not resisting.
Okay.
You had no right to pull me over.
Okay.